Makaih.
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to 520 Speedworks. We're here with the Wrecked Cobra project. This is part scary number 13. But all things are going to be good on this because we're actually going to put some permanent parts on the car today. So stick with us because here we go. It's going to be a fun ride. Those of you that are new to the channel, please subscribe. Please hit that like button. Go back and follow the previous 12 parts, and you can see where we got to this point. Those of you that have subscribed, thank you. We appreciate you guys sticking around with us. Don't forget, get your some merchandise, support us, help support us, all that kind of good stuff. So today we're going to put some aluminum on the car. We're going to get the suspension back on the car. We got to make some measurements. That's what we're going to go through right now. There's more to come, so let's get going.
I've determined what's worse than a... So instead of gluing it, you silicone?
Mm-hmm.
So you...
Well, I mean, silicone can be considered a glue.
So that's what you guys are using as glue. This is my question.
Yes.
You want to know what I'm going to tell you? I'm going to guarantee that next time you go in there, you're going to hit your head on it. Yeah. I will pay money that you will hit your head on that little piece.
This little piece?
And then I'm going to sit there and tell you, I told you so. If you wouldn't have had that little piece there, your head wouldn't have been hit.
I'm going to tell you that the amount of times we're going to go in that little hole are going to be not that often.
But it's going to save you that one headache.
The only time I'm going to be bagging that hole is when we're spraying
The foam.
the foam stuff, and then when we're putting carpet in there.
Yeah.
And I'm going to tell you that I'm not going to hit my head. I'm going to tell you, Ashley thinks that I'm going to hit my head either. I'm going to put a beer on it, between her and I, or a glass of wine or whatever, that I'm not going to hit my head on that. Bet's on. Bet's on.
You can't go without hitting your head on something that's fabricated to the thing.
See? See what happens when you don't put stuff on? You scratch it.
You scratch it.
Alright guys, we're going to leave this panel off so that we can have access into here for when we do thermal coating and carpet and that kind of good stuff. This will probably be one of the last two panels. This one and the other passenger footbox panel on. So these are going to be the last two panels.
Driver.
Or driver's footbox, but I said passenger. Driver.
I'm a little sore.
This thing comes roughly.
That's how high it comes? So So it's gonna touch the metal.
It is close. I think they're coated.
So what do you guys do if it doesn't fit?
Hammer it.
Hammer it.
Hammer it.
It's this panel right here, right?
I can always put bow in it too.
Like bend it, like make it concave.
Adam, we need someone really strong to lift the motor in there.
Huh?
See if this panel's going to clear the header.
But this thing comes roughly.
That's how high it comes. So it's good.
It's all good.
Double jam.
Nope. Alright guys, well, power just went out. We just got back. We had to get out of the pool due to the monsoons, but while we were doing that, Gilly, once again, is working his butt off. Finished up the last two pieces of the driver's foot box. They look sick. Ghost pins in it and all this. Unfortunately, we won't get to see it, but we'll know it's there. Good job, Gilly. Good job. So, what we're going to do next. One, we're going to wait for the power to come back on, but while it comes back on, we're going to start putting the front suspension back in because we got some cool stuff to talk about in just a minute. Alright guys, so next cool thing going on that we're going to do with this, I'm going to show you a picture of a car that we found and we're going to mimic it. So here's said car. Okay, so with that, that's what we're trying to replicate. We want to put this thing on the ground, so at the shows, this thing is slammed on the ground. To do that, we got to put it on airbags. We don't know what those guys used, so we are in talks with a air suspension company, and right now we're going to put the suspension on for good, but we are going to figure out whether or not we can make their product work for us. So you're going to see us put this on. You're going to see our little contraption here in a minute that we've made to see if it'll work. If it works, awesome. If it doesn't, we're just going to go back to some coilovers and call it a day. But we're really hoping that this is going to work. If you guys are out there watching and you know of a company different from the one that we're working with, Ride Tech is who we're working with. If you know of a company that makes a coilover airbag system, please drop us a link, drop us an email, drop us a comment for us to go search out there. We've reached out to some of the other ones, we just haven't heard back from them yet, so this is where we're going with this now. So a little explanation of what we're doing, so let's get to it. Fit in.
That's full length. Whoa. That's a cool little tape measure with a little magnet at the end of it.
That's 14.
That was only an inch.
Only an inch.
Change your wood. Well, right now, these have 4 inches,
So what did we say it was? It was 4.5.
4.1.
Okay, so if we just go down. So there's our issue.
Well, you gotta turn them over. Got it in upside down.
Because the other side is the other side's 2.5 inches.
Sure. So you're either gonna have to put wishbone up control arms on it, or something else.
Can I play the womp 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 sound?
Yeah, absolutely.
Womp
Womp,
womp.
womp, womp.
Okay.
All right, guys, so obviously that is not going to work for us. Back to the drawing board. We really want to put this thing on bags because we just know it'll be freaking awesome. So, like I said, if you guys know of some companies that have like a smaller coil-over airbag shock system, let us know. Send us an email, send us a comment. We're going to keep searching, but right now we're not going to stop. We're not going to slow down, so we're going to finish putting the suspension on. We're going to go from there.
That would hurt.
There are washers on this both.
You're good. Should be. I don't know.
Let's Phillips screwdriver. You got 2 washers on one side on that?
Yeah. Too much.
I'm gonna want it good.
From what I've learned, there's always one that does something what you want and the other one that doesn't.
And you got the back of that so you can put the Perfect.
Wait, why do we have to back it out? Oh. Never mind.
You want to know what's going to happen to these?
Yeah, they're gonna get painted black. No, he's gonna paint them black.
God, I am.
He's gonna tighten them first, so.
He's gonna paint the back black because I asked, and now he's they're gonna get painted black. Are you guys gonna have to take that off again?
Negative. Negative Red Rider, the pattern is full.
Well, guys, there we go. Another day. We're back to where we were 2 videos ago. Front suspension on the car. Foot boxes. But we're back. Awesome thing is, permanent. This stuff will not have to come off again. So, I mean, we left the sides of both the boxes open. We left the top off so that we can do the brakes and that kind of stuff. But we are back with actual permanent pieces on the car, which is, it feels fabulous. We're on the right track. We're making progress. So yeah, I've said progress like 12 times, 13, 14. I don't know.
Take a shot for everyone.
Yeah, for everyone. So for those of you guys that are with us, thank you for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. It helps us out. Also, what helps us out, 520 Speedworks merch. Go to the website, get us a shirt, support us, help us through this journey so we can create more content and that stuff for you guys. For those of you that have been with us, awesome. We appreciate you guys as well. So, till next time, till whatever the next video is. I think it's 15. I actually think I quoted wrong in the one. But whatever. We'll see you guys later. Bye. Good enough? Good enough? Cool. Yep.
Nothing quirky here today, Gilly? Shame. You're the reason why I leave it recording for an extra couple of seconds.